Okay guys, in today's video, I would like to walk you through a loss I took today, early this morning. So this was the trade, this was the loss. So let me walk you through the breakdown of why I shouldn't have taken this trade, like why I shouldn't have taken this trade. Now this is why they say trading goes beyond knowing the technicalities, right? This actually goes beyond knowing the technicalities in trading. And basically one of the reasons why I don't like trading Asian section is because of this problem as well. Because I believe um I'm the type that love to monitor my trade, right? I love to be on the chart, not like always, but at least know what the market is doing. So basically, I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. So I would likely be adding that to my rule of not trading the Asian section. Yes. Either for the thing is with JPY pairs, JPY pairs tend to move very well during Asian section. But regardless, if it's not in your favor, then you don't have to trade it. So let me walk you through breakdown. Let me clear my chart. Okay, so from the daily time frame, we've been bullish on EJ. We've been bullish on EJ, right? So we broke above this high here, and since then price has been selling. So from the 4 hour time frame, yeah, I marked this out. I was looking for price to sell into this other block here, okay, which we did. So on the 1 hour time frame, we had a clear bearish mitigation. We had a mitigation from the 1 hour time frame. I'm trying to walk you through top down analysis as well, so you understand clearly. Okay, so we've been bearish. I think I had this trade, but I failed to execute it. This sell from here, yeah, this sell from here, but I failed to execute it. So that was the last zone that took a low, right? This is not a break of structure anyway. So that was the last high that took out a low, right? Now look at this. This is the next valid sell zone, right? This zone here, that's the next valid sell zone. But if you watch closely, if you watch closely, immediately we had this, the next thing was for price to come and take out this high. Yes, price was supposed to take out this high after this stop hunt here. That was my expectation. But look at what happened. Price got to that point, came back to this 4 hour order block and failed to break above this low, right? Which indicates a shift in market structure. Now price came here, price did not take out this high. Look at this high here, this high, price did not take it out. It only came and formed a double top, right? And then it came again to this point. So we are already giving a bullish, a bullish sign, right? Now look at this. We are not breaking the sell side, we are not taking out any supply, we are not taking out any demand. Have take note of that. This is the last valid supply we have here, and price has not taken it out. And this is not a valid demand because it has not broken structure. This is not also a valid demand because it has not broken structure. Now my expectation why I took the sell, neglecting the mistake I had was I neglected the overall structure. Number one, I neglected the overall structure, and I should have also known that market is changing direction. We are already going bullish. Take a look at this. We are already going bullish. This is a trend line liquidity. This is a sign of a shift in market structure. Let me take this off. This is a sign of a shift in market structure. Remember, we are bearish from this side. Look at from this side, we've been bearish. But now, look at this side. Price is shifting direction. But now the problem is we are shifting direction and we are not breaking any structure. We are not taking out any highs. So what I did was, since I saw this, I am from the 30 minutes time frame, I marked this out as this is the next mitigation. This is the next place we had the mitigation, right? So my anticipation was price would come from here, price would come from here and trade into this zone. Now the problem with this setup is that there is no inducement. Can you see? There is no inducement with this trade, and my anticipation was basically price would create an inducement before selling, but price did not create an inducement and I still took it. And that was around price got to that zone around 3:30, and I was not on my chart then. If I had been on my chart and I saw that move, I wouldn't have continued the sell because clearly there was no inducement. There was no inducement. So from there now you can see price has been creating a bullish leg. We've been creating a bullish leg from here. We've been creating a bullish leg from here. So would you rather sell or buy? For me, I would rather buy, right? Or still I would bet the best thing is to wait. Yeah, the best thing is to wait because this zone has failed already and price is currently reacting from something. Exactly, look at where the price is currently reacting from. This place is the zone that led to that supply to fail. So if I had been on my chart, I would have taken this buy. I would have taken a buy from here. I would have taken the buy from here. Then to take out something else. This is already 1:2. Then probably take out, there is a high, the last high I made mention that swept this low. I would likely hold the price into this high. Yeah, into this high because price might likely react from somewhere here to continue the sell. So that's basically what I would have done. That's basically what I should have done. That's what I should have done. But all the same, there are no um trade without a loss. Okay, so basically this is a breakdown of this loss I took. So from subsequently I will just be avoiding Asian section. I will just have to avoid this trading this Asian section unless there is a clear setup with an inducement. Unless there is a clear setup with an inducement, then I can take my trades. Okay, so this is all there is to this trade. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a follow and a like. Thank you.